Infor CloudSuite Industrial is an advanced, highly flexible solution offering manufacturing companies the functionality needed to compete in today's highly complex global environment. Managing production effectively is a key differentiator for a manufacturing company. Kirk Taylor is a production supervisor, and to manage his operations well, he requires easy access of timely information about his business, his customers, and the shop floor. He also needs to be able to quickly collaborate with fellow employees. Kirk logs into CloudSuite Industrial and comes into his production homepage with detailed information about his operations, the value of his jobs, resource utilization, exceptions, hot list items, and more. He moves on to his activity feed to see all alerts, tasks, and notifications that he has. At the top of Kirk's messages, he sees one from Claire in customer service asking about moving a production job forward. Kirk can drill directly to the order in question, as Claire included a link to the order in her message. Nothing is lost in translation. Kirk goes directly to the production job and sees that it's an order for a forklift. He will need to look at some details to see if he can meet the customer's request. He decides to take a look at the engineering board to learn more about this particular order. Kirk has instant visibility of all routing steps and the bill of material for each step. Kirk recalls when it used to take hours or days or more to synchronize all of these details correctly for configured items between quoting, sales, and production. CloudSuite Industrial automatically synchronizes the information entered during the configure, price, quote, and ordering process with production. There is no manual entry or rekeying of data required. Kirk can see that this customer wants a 5,000-pound capacity forklift, that they want a diesel tank, and so on. Kirk has all of the routing and bill of material information all at his fingertips. Kirk sees the production order is already confirmed for the 24th, and Claire wanted to know if we could bring it forward. Kirk confirms that the current capable to promise date of the 24th and wants to visualize the planned detail. CloudSuite Industrial enables the production team to see all production jobs on the shop floor, or here you can see the detail for all of the routing steps in question for this one particular production job. Kirk knows that he can move the job forward a couple of days and updates the dates on the job. He decides to change the end date to the 21st, and now the start date. Contextual business intelligence is also important to Kirk. He can open the context screen at any time. CloudSuite Industrial pushes contextual information to all users. In this particular case, Kirk is being pushed a side-by-side analysis of the actual versus planned cost for this forklift order. Actual is still at $0, which makes sense because production hasn't started, so there's no cost to report against this job. This type of contextual information is available all across CloudSuite Industrial, making it easier for users to make decisions in real time as all relevant information they need is being pushed to them. They don't have to hunt it down. Kirk now needs to make sure that he updates Claire. So he goes back to his activity feed and replies to Claire's message with a quick response. CloudSuite Industrial allows Kirk a unique collaboration capability which links all key stakeholders and all relevant information across the company. Now that Kirk has taken care of that message in detail for Claire, he can move on to the rest of his day managing manufacturing operations. CloudSuite Industrial gives production staff like Kirk the visibility and tools to manage shop floor efficiency. Kirk effectively reviewed and planned orders and collaborated with key personnel to ensure on-time deliveries and maintain margins for his company. To learn more about Infor CloudSuite Industrial's comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, visit infor.com.